Hello friends. In today's class, we are going to see example 2 for translation schema. Welcome again, and this is the second example of this translation schema. It says that a shift reduce parser carries out the actions specified within the braces immediately after reducing with the corresponding rule of the grammar. Okay, so whenever there is a reduction, it will immediately perform this action, and these actions are performed by the, explicitly said that it is performed by the shift reduce parser. Okay, so this will perform explicitly by the shift reduce parser. What is the translation of 4 time x, single time y and zz using syntax directed translation schema described by above rules? Okay, so we have to find that what it will be translated by this translation schema described by the above rule. So fine, so first step first, and that step is nothing but the drawing the parse tree. So my w is 1 2 3 4 y and 2 times z. Okay, so 2 times z, and what we need to do is we have to first draw the this thing that is called parse tree. Okay, so now parse tree is okay, so drop this semantic rule, though they are at the end, and s derive double x w, s derive y, and w derive s z. Okay, so let's draw the parse tree first. Okay, so x s derive x, x, and w. So double x is there. W can derive s z, that is the only option we have. Okay, and I need double x again, so now it will become x, x, and w, double x, w, and again it can, w can derive s and z, and finally now I got 4x, s can derive here y, and I can terminate it. So that this is the parse tree for it. Let us put this actions at appropriate place. So after this xxw there is a print 1. So here I will add print 1. After sz there is a print 3. After sz there is a print 3. After xxw there is again print 1. So there is again print 1. And after sz there is again print 3. So there is a print 3. And finally sy there is a print 2. So there is a print 2. Now what we'll do here, we will again traverse in a depth first traverse, and we'll traverse it from left to right. Okay, so start traversing from this place, and this node will go to the depth. Okay, and this x, and then this x, no semantic rule, will come to y, and the first semantic rule here in this case is 2. So this will print 2. Okay, and then I'll come to this part z, and then I'll say print 3, 3, and then I'll go up, print 1, 1, and then I'll visit this z, and then I'll say print 3, and then I'll go up and I'll say print 1. Okay, so now this is the value that it is printing, and that is nothing but 231, 231, and then again there is a 3 1, 23131. It is the translation of, okay, this will be x, double x, what, double x, 4x, okay, y and double z will be translated. So what is this translation is 2 3 1 and 3 1. Okay, so that is the translation. So I hope you understand. Thank you.